WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. What I'll be showing you in this brief and short 1 minute video is my exact play with Wolfspeed. Now, because I'm very like a process driven person, I'm gonna stick to my formula that I've refined over 5 years. You know, it's taken me 5 years, 42,000 videos, so I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. And not like no one in the space has done this amount of freaking volume. I've documented them all as well. So briefly with Wolf, I have a video demonstration proof that this whole bearish shtick began like a while ago. This is 4 months back, you know, 23rd of February. So it's like nothing like new and novel. It was okay. It was not even this. It was this video too here. You know what I mean? Yeah, 10:06 at the time, 6 months back. And bro, like ultimately speaking, unless I see, I mean, it's unless I see, it's a bearish market now, but unless I see a full candle close either above 180 or some crazy catalyst, there's just no way that I'm gonna look to further buy or do anything really. So Wolfspeed, here it is. 37 results. Now if you want to learn the sauce, it's taken me to 5-10k months, risk-free in the tools and all that good jazz, so you don't have to spend 5 years of your own money and time, you know, tens of thousands of dollars. Just click the first link in the description, risk-free. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. 1,200 people have tried it.